What's that mean?
It's a water. The surge is gonna start coming in.
Did you go with him?
What, right here? Where?
I don't know, wherever they went.
We didn't go nowhere. It was like a fucking prison field trip.
What in the hell is the law doing? Trying to get their ass in the dry?
That's fucking swag. Man, piss pulled under there. He's gonna get piss in the back corner of the face. Duty school.
I wanted to go home and get that thing. It's like a sleeping bag. Like crap. You got to fill it with air.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. The Liams.
No, it's mine. I got that off the beach. Got it off the beach. Damn, motherfucker, I like that.
Wouldn't you say so, Mr. Wales?
Sorry, Doctor. Use some help. This is it. $1 a bottle. It works wonders on hormones. Wonders on just about everything. You can do most everything.
Thought Kyle was an annoying player.
Man, I got stuff for me and Justin right now.
Jenga. College. Jenga.
Hey, we playing poker. We ain't playing no damn Jenga.
You can't even take the shit out of the damn box right.
Don't worry, it's out.
Damn it, Curry.
We're gonna play some poker too.
This whole time I thought Randall was a slack ass Wells Lewis. I think you challenging him for the title.
I ain't trying to get his title. What's you playing poker?
Yeah, I play poker.
I got some money. I got self money.
It's who's line it? Oh, that shit's shuffle the hell in that, but you can go ahead. Yeah, I'm tired of dealing.
So do I deal mine first or somebody else? Or don't matter?
Dealer normally deals to left or right, first away from you.
I mean, yeah.
That's how much.
There's no murder in me. Yeah,
I ain't funny, but some people's like, no, motherfucker, if you don't do like that, you ain't motherfucker.
Right.
Like, dude, if you're playing that serious, you
I
should be
don't
on
do
the
that
floor.
flip over bullshit.
I don't either. You can if you are Jimmy. You're not the goddamn dealer.
Right, I've been reprimanded.
Go figure. Got it?
Alright.
Put up Jenga.
I am.
Do you
Deal
bet?
card.
Do you bet before the
Flop.
flop?
You're supposed to. Like,
Anybody bet before the flop? I mean, we ain't got
Yeah, it's Curry's, but he's Jangin. He's Django.
Jingle, baby.
I was let down with that movie. I ain't never been so disappointed in a movie.
Why not?
I thought that shit was supposed to be badass, and then it turned out to be dumb funny. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was like a stoner flick. And I
Tell
was
Miss
like,
Devil, say bye.
right,
What you talking about?
now's the time you die, boy.
Who?
Django, the movie with Chris, Jamie Foxx.
Django and Chain.
I was so let down when I watched that bitch.
Anybody bet? It's Curry's.
We're waiting on Chris still.
Yeah,
You ain't got a bet.
gotta see cards.
Check. You gotta see my card.
Check.
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 Oh, man. What the hell does he think he's doing?
Let me check and see what the hell I got now. It's on Curtis Wilson.
Check again. I ain't got no money.
Got money.
Oh, sorry.
I advise you to turn back, Captain.
They coming.
That's it there, Curtis.
Curtis Lowe.
Curtis Lowe was the finest poker player
Check.
to ever lose the show.
What's that?
Quarter.
Crazy.
Y'all, you out, Justin? Oh, I'm out too. I'm sorry. I didn't know y'all up.
I'm sorry, I'm out. I'm sorry.
Sorry there, fella.
All right, pair of jacks.
Straight.
Bitch.
Oh, God. Very nice.
Hey, Ricky.
So you supposed to rate that much money, man?
Dog, it's called a bluff, man. You win. You have to know.
Just ask Kyle how you bluff people.
Kyle goes in hard.
He goes hard in the yard, son. Just
Yeah.
fucking.
You got knocked out on
Hell,
it?
Curry went out there and went all in, didn't count his fucking money. Didn't nobody know how much to bet him. Bitch, told me, you got the same amount I do. I said, no, I want a hand. I got more money than you.
Like I was like, oh, I'm all in. The motherfucker didn't even have a pair.
I had nothing.
Nothing but a pair.
I told him before he did it, I said, get out, Kyle. I said, get out.
I had a goddamn what the hell I have, a straight or a flush?
You had a flush.
I'm gonna burn your ass, Kyle.
My guy, Kyle, my man's betting kind of aggressively over here, and Kyle's like, okay, let's follow. Well, that I always play follow the leader. I'll raise you.
Do my cards look good?
You know what he had?
Had fucking 3 of a kind, had fucking all
Where the
aces.
hell did them 2 cards go?
Those are mine.
You left them out.
Yeah.
Just leave him out, man. Fuck it.
You're gonna need a watch. Motherfucker.
Yeah. Especially an 8 and a 10.
Straight.
We're about to get a 9, a jack, and a queen right here. First 3 cards. Curry. Man, someone's off. Don't look at my chips.
Yeah, don't look at them.
Oh man, I meant to tell you, I got some chips back there. You want to use chips instead of the money?
That'd be so damn cool.
That'd been so
I mean,
much.
who comes to the
That
poker
information
table?
would have been so much better. Like
That's what I
30
thought
seconds.
those were.
Who the hell comes to the poker table with a jingle board and then tells you after 2 hands that they got poker chips?
Hey guys, I got chips.
Alright, so it's to me.
Yes.
We'll cull up or whatever.
We're gonna play with chips. Or are we? You gonna play one more hand like this then?
No, I don't mind. I don't care.
Yeah,
Play
don't
one
matter.
hand.
We gotta wait on Curtis anyway.
Right.
Man, that's checkers. That ain't.
Hold on, son.
That ain't
Hold-
chips.
Hold your lips.
We're gonna have 50-cent chip and a $1 chip.
They say probably gonna get 5
Black
apiece.
and white. It's black and white. Man, I got black and white. I got black and white too. Oh shit!
Little bicycle.
How many of them you got, dog?
Look, I got the poker card in here too.
God dang right.
Alright, how many it is?
It says
Just split it 4 ways.
you got 25 reds, 25 ivory, 25 boots, or 50 boots. No, 25.
That's what they're worth, aren't they?
Right.
That's what they're worth, dog.
Well, hell, I didn't know how many we got today.
It tells you right there.
Well, you put your-
100 of them.
You got 100 chips.
You got 100 chips. So I'm
So
gonna say
you
there's 50 whites
Yes, 50 white,
and then
25.
50 reds and then 25 of each, or